Okay, good Thursday morning, 26th of, I think it's September. Just getting ready to install a newly redesigned solar tracker. Well, I got some help here. This guy here with the 6 370 watt bifacial panels. It's too heavy, it's too big, and we get too much wind. I'm taking 3 solar panels off of that one and putting them on the one that I've just rebuilt. I just built from scratch, and I redesigned it. I'll show you more on that later. Right now we're over here trying to dig through clay and rocks. I got my old, at least 25-year-old Harbor Freight post-hole digger out. Put gas in it, pulled the handle, and believe it or not, it ran. That's just amazing. That's amazing. And down here we're now in the rock zone. Nice Tennessee clay, rocks for days. Alright, hopefully we're going to get the pole in the ground today and run the wire over to that solar tracker. I'll update this as we get further along. Okay, we got the hole down. A little over 2.5 feet. We hit rocks, and more rocks, so that's not going anywhere. And we're going to go 20-some feet over to that tracker, bring the wire up into the fuse box, and this pole will have a fuse box also. And then at the end of my level, I've got my compass, so we can aim this in a southerly direction, which is close enough to make this work. And then that will be it for today. So we're going to line up this pole, which has been soaked heavily in used diesel oil. And I got it marked south face so that the tracker that I just built, revision 12, will slide right on that. Alright, we're going to fill it with concrete. More to come. Okay, a little after 4 p.m. We got the pole in the ground. Got the top of the mount hung on the pole. All buried in concrete. Got a ground rod in the ground with my hammer drill. 3 times later, we finally did it without hitting too many rocks. Dug a trench up through here. I hope I'm catching this because I cannot see the sun that's in my eyes. And we got the PV wire coming out over here for now because it has to come up this pole into that box where the breaker is that takes it over to the main panel breaker for PV. And then that pole there is going to get its own breaker and its own battery and solar panel to run the tracking mechanism. So that was a good day's work. Alright, so that's it for day 1 of the 5th solar tracker install. And we'll see how it goes, depending when the rest of the parts come in to fix that motorcycle. Alright, that's all for now.